So theorem 7 is saying that if two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to longer side is larger. So which is longer side here in this triangle? If you consider this triangle ABC, which is the longer side? Longer side is 9, right? So what is the opposite angle of 9? Angle 9. Opposite angle of the 9 is this angle A, the blue color one. Okay, so this will be the greatest angle in the triangle. Similarly, look, 5 is the smallest one, right? So opposite side of the 5, it will be the smallest triangle, smallest angle in the triangle. Is it clear? So similarly, you can see angle B is less than angle A. Why? Because angle B's opposite side is 7, so it will be smaller than the angle A. Angle A will be the largest. Okay. Then theorem 7.7. Theorem 7.7 is saying in any triangle the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. So this is, you can see the vice versa of this vice versa of the triangle of this previous theorem. We can see this is the, as I told, this is the largest angle, so its opposite side or will be largest side. Okay, longest side. Then number 7.8, theorem number 7.8 is saying sum of any two sides of a triangle, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. You can see I took the same triangle ABC. Okay, one side is 5, another side is 7, another side is 9. Okay, so what you can see that what you can see that any, you can take any sum. Look, 5 plus 7 is always greater than 9. Okay, 7 plus 9 is always greater than 5. I hope you all of you learn this theorem in class 8 also, right? So this theorem is very useful theorem, that sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, then come to the last. Come to the exercise question. Exercise. Exercise first question is saying, first question is saying that show that in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. We all know that in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest, because by Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square equal to sum of the other two sides square. Okay, so we have to prove this hypotenuse is the longest. We have to prove from here. Okay, so let's start the given part. Basically we have to prove that in this ABC, AC is the longest side, that we have to prove. Okay, so in the given part, what we wrote, in the given part we wrote that let us consider triangle ABC such that angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle B, this angle B is 90 degree. To prove, what we have to prove, the hypotenuse is AC is the longest side. Okay, hypotenuse AC is the longest side, that we have to prove. Then proof. Proof we have, let's start the proof. In a triangle ABC, A plus B plus C equal to 180. Can anyone tell me why? By which theorem? I'm here written that in triangle ABC I wrote angle A plus angle B angle C, which by which property? Let me know. By which property you can say angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree? Reply me in the chat box. Anyone reply me in the chat box. I hope you are not sleeping. In a triangle ABC, I'm writing angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Okay, what is the reason behind it? Anyone? By which property? I hope all of you know that you will have offline exam final. Okay, so study by yourself. Let me know why you can say this is the a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree by theorem 6.7. What is theorem 6.7? I don't remember. Theorem 6. This is just so simple in word. Theorem 6.7. Yeah, so simple. And try to remember the statement. Okay, not the theorem number. Otherwise, if you remember 7.6.7, you have to check in book. Okay, what is 6.7? Because I don't remember the 6.7. I remember the sum of all angles in a triangle. In any triangle is 180 degree. This property was sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Is 180 degree. Okay, a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree. Now b equal to you, we took here 90 degree because take this is the abc is the right angle triangle, and where b is 90 degree, so we just put the value of b. Okay, so a plus c will be 180 degree minus 90 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so what you can write, if a plus c equal to 90 degree, okay, then what we can write? We can write a plus c equal to b. Yes or no? Because b is 90 degree. We can write a plus c equal to b. Right? Sum of these two side is equal to b. Okay. If you can write this, okay, I'm showing you one thing. Suppose I'm writing 5 plus 7 is greater than 12. Okay. I'm writing 5 plus 7 is greater than 12. Sorry, greater than 10. 5 plus 7 is greater than 10. Okay, is it true or wrong? Let me know. 5 plus 7 true or false? True, right? So if it is true, you can see 5 is greater than 10 or not? Is greater than 10. Similarly, 7 also greater than 10. Okay, so if sum of any two angles or any two things is greater than something, then each of the angles or each of the things will be greater than the whole things. Okay, this is actually we in this year our Euclid geometry part omitted, right? So in this Euclid geometry part, you may learn this part, but this year it is omitted, so we will not discuss this one. So I'm giving this just an example that look, 5 plus 7 greater than 0, so 5 is greater than 0, same as 7 is greater than 0, right? So if we can say, or I'm giving another example, 5 plus 7 is 12, right? 5 plus 7 is 12. Now 5 is greater than 12 or not? 7 also greater than 12, right? So you can see the sum of these two is 12, and each of the number will be greater than 12. Similarly, a plus c is greater than b, right? A plus c is equal to b, right? Therefore, a therefore this b will be always greater than a and c. So that we wrote this line. Is it clear? This line is very important. This line is very important. Let me know, is this line clear? This line is very important, that angle A plus angle C equal to angle B. Therefore the whole angle B will be greater than the these angles. So angle B greater than angle A and angle B greater than angle C. Is it clear? Okay, anyone else? What about the others? Everyone? No response. Okay, fine. So if B angle B greater than angle A, angle B means this and angle A is this. That means angle B greater than angle A, right? So what we can write? Side opposite to angle B is longer than side opposite to angle A, right? Therefore, we can write AC greater than BC. AC means this angle, sorry, this side, which is the opposite to angle B, and BC means the opposite to angle A. So AC is greater than BC by theorem 7.6. Okay, side opposite to angle B is longer than the side opposite to angle A. Similarly, um, AC also greater than AB, because look, angle B is greater than angle C. So angle B opposite side is AC is greater than greater than side AB. Okay, so combining these two, what we can get? Therefore, we can get, look, in this triangle, AC is the longer than any other two sides. So we can write therefore we get AC is the longest side and AC is the hypotenuse of the triangle also, right? Obviously. So we can write hypotenuse is the longest side. Hypotenuse is the longest, hence proof. Hence proved. Okay. This is important. This is very important. Important question, because in this question, you will not give the you will not given the this triangle. Okay, only what it will be given, you will given this statement only. So it is when the diagram is given, it is easy to remember, but when diagram is not given, it is a little bit difficult to do. So this is important question. Next, question number 2. Question number 2, in this question you can see, is saying, in this figure, in this given figure, today I did not bring the book, so I can't say, you can, I hope you can see the diagram. In this figure, side AB, this AB and AC of this triangle ABC extended to P and Q. So side AB of ABC extended to P and AC extended to Q, and given PBC, PBC, that means this angle PBC is less than angle QCB. This angle is less than this angle QCB. Okay. So given is in triangle ABC, just this I just wrote this thing, angle PBC and angle less than angle QCB. Okay. We have to prove AC greater than BC, AC greater than AB. AC is greater than AB. We have to prove. Now ABC plus PBC 180 degree, ABC this angle and PBC this angle equal to 180 degree. Their sum is 180 degree, because linear pair of angle, linear pair of linear pair of angles. Okay. Similarly, ACB ACB plus QCB equal to 180 degree. This is also same linear pair of angle, right? Now but PBC is less than QCB. PBC means this, PBC and less than QCB. Okay, so we can write it is already given that PBC less than QCB. Look in the given part. Okay, now 180 degree minus PBC will be greater than 180 degree minus QCB. Is it clear? This line, I hope it will be a difficulty. For this line, I'm giving one example. 5 greater than 3. Yes or no, right? Right. Now, can you tell me minus 5 is greater than minus 3? 5 is greater than 3, I know, right? Let me know minus 5 is greater than minus 3. Let me know. Anyone else? Is minus 5 greater than minus 3? No. Because whenever this minus sign is there, na, this sign is to change, right? So when first it was PBC less than QCB, right? So when it is minus PBC, so it will be sign will be changed. It will be greater than minus QCB. Then we just add 180 degree. Okay, we can add 180 degree. We can add any number like suppose 2 greater than 4. If I add both side, if I add both side 2, what I will get? 2 plus 2 greater than, sorry, it was a mistake. It will be 2 less than 2. Na? First it was 2 less than 4. Now I'm adding 2 to both sides. Okay, when I'm adding 2 to both sides, this will be same. Look, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So when we are doing addition, no problem. But when we are doing the subtraction, okay, that we have to remember. That thing we have to remember when we are doing the multiplication and like this. So this line is important. Many of the students used to have problem on this line, that 180 degree minus BBC greater than 180 degree minus QCB. Just taking the minus sign to the both side. I mean, we are just multiplying minus 1 to the both side. The sign will change, and then we are adding 180 degree to both side. Addition. Okay. Now, what is 180 degree minus BBC? 180 degree means full this angle minus PBC. Okay. From this full angle, if we subtract PBC, what will be left? ABC. Only this angle will be left. Okay, similarly 180 degree minus QCB. So from this full angle, if you subtract QCB, only ACB will left. So what we can see, ABC angle is greater than ACB. So after that, I hope you understand what you will do. ABC's opposite side is AC and ACB's opposite side is AB. So AC will be greater than AB. The side opposite to angle ABC is greater than the side opposite to angle ACB. Okay, so side opposite to ABC is AC and side opposite to ACB is AB. So AC greater than AB. Okay, hence proof. Next question. Next question. In this figure, this is very easy. In this figure, you can see given is angle B greater than angle A. Okay, angle B greater than angle A and angle C greater than angle D. This is already given. Angle B means this angle is greater than angle A, and angle C, this angle greater than, less than, angle B less than angle A. You can see in the diagram also it is shown, and angle C less than angle D. We have to show AD means this length, AD, this line is less than BC. That we have to prove. So given part, whatever given and proof, to proof part I'm not repeating, whatever you can see. Proof. Angle A greater than angle B, right? Given angle A greater than angle B. So what is the opposite side of angle A? OB. And opposite side of angle B is OA. So here we can write OB is greater than angle OB is greater than OA, side OA. Okay, because side opposite to greater is longer. Okay, similarly we can write OC. OC means this because D is greater than C. So OC will be greater than OD. Okay. Now if you add these two, if you add 1 and 2, what we will get? OB plus OC, and right hand side will be OA plus OD. What is OB? OB plus OC have equal greater than OA plus OD. So OB plus OC means what? OB plus OC means this full BC length. Okay. And OA plus OD is AD. So we can prove BC greater than AD. Therefore, you can, because here is we have to prove this, you can write therefore AC less than BC. Okay. Number 3 is so easy question. Um, then next question, question number 4. I hope today I can complete this one. Yeah, I think so. Okay, in question number 4, there is you can see AB and CD are respectively smallest and longest side of the quadrilateral ABCD. This is our quadrilateral ABCD quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, AB is the smallest and CD is the biggest. I mean the greatest or longest. Okay, show that angle A is greater than angle C. We have to show, and angle B greater than angle D. That we have to show. Okay, but before starting this one, I'm hiding this one, this diagram. Otherwise, you will not understand why I'm doing this. Okay, in this diagram, you can see first of all, we have to prove some angle greater than some angle. Okay, that is not a very big thing because we already did so many questions like this. Okay, but the thing is that here we learn the theorem in a triangle, right? We learn the theorem in a triangle, but this is the quadrilateral, right? So we have to find first triangle, okay, so that we'll join the diagonal BD, understood, or diagonal AC, any first we have to join the diagonal so that we will form two triangle, then we can compare the angles, understood. So now for this one, I already join this one. If given part you can understand by yourself to prove what I'm not writing. Construction, here is the construction is there. So in construction, join AC. You can see A and C, this line, I mean this diagonal, we join. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, it is given AB less than AC, because it is told in this triangle, in this quadrilateral, AB is the smallest side, right? So AB less than BC. Okay, so therefore BC greater than AB. That is the same line though. So BC is opposite side is what? Opposite angle is which angle? Opposite angle of BC is BAC, this angle. Okay, opposite angle of BC is BAC, this angle. So BAC is greater than AB's opposite side is ACB. So BAC greater than BCA or ACB, same, this angle BCA. So this is greater than this. Okay, this is number one. Again, in triangle ACD, in ACD triangle, we know that AC is the longest side. That means AC, sorry. In ACD triangle, we know that CD is the longest side, right? That means CD is greater than AD. CD is greater than AD, right? So CD is opposite side of CD is this one, CAD, and opposite side of AD is ACD, this angle. Okay, so CAD, this angle greater than ACD, this angle. That is number 2. Now we just add number 1 and number 2. On the left hand side we have BAC plus CAD greater than, on the right hand side, BCA plus ACD. So BAC is this angle BAC, and CAD means this angle. So together if you combine, what angle we will have? If we join this one, it will be angle A. Okay, then BCA means this small angle, and ACD means this angle. If you combine ACD and BCA, this full angle will be angle C. Okay, so from here we can prove angle A greater than angle C. Okay, similarly, if you join BD, if you join BD diagonal, if you join the BD diagonal, you can prove the other angle, that angle B greater than angle D. So how to do this one? Whenever first we have to prove angle A greater than angle C. Okay, so that we join AC. If we have to prove angle B greater than angle D, we have to join BAD, and we have to use the same thing. You can see BCD triangle will be there. In there, CD will be the longest side. Similarly, ABD triangle will be there, and there AB will be the smallest. Like this same method, we can prove this. Is it clear? So in this exam na, if this question is come like this, you can just like write like this. Similarly, by joining this one, B greater than D. Okay, no need to explain, because this question may can come for 3 marks, and for 3 marks it is enough. Okay, next question number 5. In question number 5, question number 5, in this figure, I mean in this diagram, PQR triangle, PR greater than PQ. PR means this length, PR greater than PQ. Okay, it is given, and PS is the bisect QPR. I mean, that means PS is bisector of QPS, this angle. Okay, we have to prove PSR. PSR. PSR means this angle, and PSQ. PSR greater than PSQ. Okay, for this one, just wait a minute, I will draw a figure. This figure is not appropriate. Just hold on a minute. Okay, this is the better diagram. Yeah, so you can see this one in this triangle. PR this side is greater than PQ, and he's saying PS is the bisector of angle QPR. Okay, that means these two angles are equal. We have to prove PSR this angle, PSR greater than PSQ this angle. Okay, PSR this angle greater than this angle, we have to prove. Next, whatever written, we just wrote in the given part, PR greater than PQ, that what we wrote, and PS bisect QPR. Okay, we have to prove that. To prove in now proof in PQR, PS bisect QPR, right? That means QPS means this angle equal to RPS, that means this angle. Okay, and PR greater than PQ, it is given. Now if PR greater than PQ, PR greater than PQ, we can write what is the opposite side of PR. Opposite side of PR is PQS. Okay, PQS this angle, and Opposite side of PQ is this angle PRS. Understood? So that what we wrote, that PR greater than PQ. So PR opposite side is PQS. PQS we can write PQR also. Okay, we can write PQR also because PQR and PQS are same length. Okay, similarly PRS and PRQ same angle. Okay, now both side I'm adding QPS. Okay, on both side here, from here we are adding, on the left hand side we are adding QPS, and on the right hand side we are adding RPS because both are equal. We already got. Okay, both are equal. Now PQS in triangle, PQS triangle, what we can write, PQS plus QPS equal to sum of these two angle will be equal to 180 degree minus this, right? Sum of these two angle, this angle and this angle will be 180 degree. Okay, wait, we can, PQS plus QPS equal to, can I write PSR? Let me know one thing. PQS, PQS angle, PQS this angle plus QPS this angle equal to, can I write PSR? Check the yellow highlighted one. If yes, why? The yellow highlighted one, I hope you can see. PQS plus QPS, you just check the PQS triangle. Okay, check the PQS triangle. For PQS triangle, can I write PQS plus QPS equal to PSR? Let me know. Can I write this line? This yellow highlighted one. This one, PQS plus QPS equal to, and Y. Yes, obviously you let me know the why. You wrote the answer, yes, but why? Why we can write PQS plus QPS equal to PSR? First reply. Anyone know answer? Why? Why is? Mhm. I'm asking. I'm asking the reason and your vision, you are giving the roll numbers. Look, if we consider PQS triangle, okay, this is the exterior angle. If we consider PQS triangle, PSR is the exterior angle, and we know exterior angle is the sum of opposite interior angle. Okay, so PQS equal to plus QPS equal to, we can write PSR, exterior angle property. Okay, similarly on the right hand side, we can write, on the right hand side we can write, on the right hand side, PRS means PRS this angle, and RPS this angle. These two angle will be sum will be equal to PSQ, will be angle PSQ. Okay, here you have to write exterior angle property, exterior angle property. Understood? So it is a proof. Otherwise we can prove in other way also, but that will be laborious. This is the much more easier. Okay, so that we are doing this one, that exterior angle property, so that we easy to remember, I mean easier to do. Next, question number 6. Let's do this one very fast. Okay, then question number 6. Question number 6 is saying that this is also very interesting problem, important also. Diagonal AC and BD of a quadrilateral, diagonal AC and BD of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect at O each other. You can see in this diagram that AC, the blue diagonal, and the red one is BD. They intersect each other at O. We have to prove AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. That means their all sides it is greater than AC and AD. That means sum of all sides is greater than the sum of the diagonals. And in second one, sum of all the side is less than 2 twice of AC plus BD. Okay, very interesting problem. So given, and to prove, I'm not repeating whatever is given, right, I'm writing. Now come to the proof. In proof, in proof, you can see in OAB triangle. Let's see OAB triangle. I hope you remember Theorem 7.7. Theorem 7.7 will use this. That sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Theorem 7.7 will use here. So sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So in this triangle, small triangle OAB, in this triangle OAB, we can write OA plus OB greater than AB. That's what we wrote. OA plus OB, OA plus OB is greater than AB. Since sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, if OA plus OB is greater than AB, I can write AB is less than AB. Sorry, less than OA is less than AB. Okay, suppose let me give an example. Okay, this line, for this line OA less than AB, I'm giving one example. Suppose 2 plus 3 greater than 4, right? I'm writing OA plus OB greater than AB. After that, I wrote OA less than AB. Okay, so 2 plus 3 is 4, greater than 4, right? So look, 2 is less than 4 and 3 is also less than 4. Okay, so each of the term will be less than AB. Understood? Then, so similarly, if in this triangle, OAB, OA plus OB is greater than AB, same time I'm writing OA is less than AB. Why I'm writing? And look, I make different numbers. OA plus OB greater than AB, I'm marking this one A, and OA less than AB, I'm marking with 1. Okay, see the marking. Similarly, in this triangle OBC, in triangle OBC, we can write OB plus OC greater than BC, OB plus BOC greater than BC. Similarly, from this we can write OB less than BC, right? OB is always less than BC. Okay. Now, in triangle OCD, similarly we will follow the same thing in the other two triangles. OCD triangle OC plus OD greater than CD. That's what we wrote. And OC is greater than OC is less than CD. Similarly, in ODA in this triangle OA plus OD equal OA plus OD greater than AD, and OD is less than AD. Okay, so see the marking. The two sum, when this is greater than, I'm marking with ABCD, and when it is less than, I'm marking with 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, because we have to do two proof, for the first proof, I'm adding all 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means OA less than AB, OB less than BC, OC less than CD, and OD less than DA. So on the left hand side, we are having OA, OB, OC, OD less than AB, BC, CD, and DA. Sum. Now I'm taking OA and OC together. Why? If you see the diagram, OA plus OC is AC diagonal, and OB plus OD is BD diagonal. So I'm keeping OB and OD together, which is less than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay, so here we wrote OA plus OC is AC and OB plus OD is BD less than AB plus BC plus CD. So number one proof is done. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BC. This is our number one proof. Okay, this is our number one proof. I'm not doing any marking. Number one. For number two, I'm adding ABCD. Where is ABCD? Small ABCD. OA plus OB, OB plus OC, OC plus OD, okay, and OD plus OA. I'm adding all these. OA plus, you can see the I'm marked with red color. Okay, I'm marking with color. OA, red, blue, green, and violet. I'm all adding here, which is greater than AB plus BC plus CD. Okay, now you can see there are two O. Here is OA, here is OA. OB, OB, OC, 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 OD, OD. So all are 2 type. So we are writing 2 into OA plus OC plus OB plus OD. Now similarly here also OA plus OC will be AC, right? Similarly OB plus OD will be BD. Same diagonal, same thing. We use the previous question. So what we can see here, twice of AC plus BD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. That is our second proof. Okay, this is easy, but sometimes it is very difficult to do in the exam time. Okay, now now is the last question for today. For today, it is the last question. Question number 7. In question number 7 is saying show that. Question number 7 is show that all the line segment drawn from a given point, not on it, the perpendicular line is the shortest. So it is saying that from a point, from a given point, okay, from a given point, suppose A, if we draw lines, okay, perpendicular will be the shortest. Okay, perpendicular will be the shortest. Is it clear? So you can see we consider here there is no given part actually, okay, because we can't say this is given. It is we all consider. Let us consider line L, a line L, you can see a line, and B is the point on the line. Okay, B is the point on the line such that AB is perpendicular on the line. Okay, AB is the perpendicular on the line. That means A is the point from where perpendicular is drawn. Okay, and P and R any two points on the line. P and R are any two points on the line. Okay, to prove what you have to prove, AB is the smallest. We have to prove the perpendicular is the shortest. Understood? So AB is smaller than AP or AB is smaller than AR. That we have to prove. Now for proof, in APB, in this APB triangle, B is 90 degree because why B is 90 degree? Because AB perpendicular over AL, you can write BP also because BP also on same line. Okay, okay. Now but in right angle triangle, each one angles other than right angle is acute angle. We know that in a right angle triangle APB, right, in right angle triangle, we know that this is 90 degree and other two is acute angle, right? Therefore angle P is less than angle B. Obviously angle P will be less than angle B because B is the 90, the highest. Okay, now if angle P is less than angle B, what is the opposite side of angle P? AB. That means AB less than AC, sorry, less than AP. AB less than AP. Okay, that is we are marking number 1. Now in triangle ABR, in triangle ABR, bigger one, in this triangle angle B, same thing will happen. B is 90 degree. Okay, similarly we can write here similarly in this ABR triangle, B 90 degree, therefore R, sorry, here it will be R R angle R will be less than angle B. Angle R will be less than angle B. Okay, in this triangle ABR, angle R will be less than angle B. Okay, so angle R opposite side is what? AB, and angle B opposite side is AR. So AB less than AR. That is number 2. So number 1 and 2, what we can write? Look, number 1 and 2 we can write. From number 1 and 2 we can see AB less than AP. Okay, and AB less than AR also. You can draw any you can draw the side here also, this side also. I'm drawing on the same side. It's not necessary you have to draw this side. You can check. Okay, because you know why? Because you know that in a triangle hypotenuse is the highest, hypotenuse is the largest side. Okay, so AP is always, whenever, if you just take the smallest one, understood, that will be the hypotenuse, and that will be always bigger than this height. Okay, so from 1 and 2 we can write, we have AB is the smallest line segment from A on the line L, from a point A on the line N. Thus the perpendicular line segment is the shortest line segment drawn on a line from a point not on the edge. Okay, because of this reason, you know, whenever the altitude or it is saying the distance between 2 points. Okay, the distance between, sometimes we used to say the distance between this point, when you will be in class 10, class 11, you will learn this. in coordinate geometry, that it used to given that the distance of a line from a point is 5 unit. This word means the perpendicular distance. Okay, this line means